This is the power adapter that we found as a replacement for my Spectra breast mount. It has the exact plug that you need to use, so you can plug it in. The cord itself is really, really long, which is nice because then I don't have to worry about being right next to an outlet. And you can just plug it into your machine and then turn it on. You can hear it's working. It makes the light turn on. All the different features. This has been great for me. I needed another cord for my pump, and I also like the fact that it's really long, and so that means that I can use it without having to be really, really close to an outlet.